This video will teach you how to break linked data from other worksheets in the same project or other spreadsheets in different file. Click the Data tab. Click Edit Links or Workbook Links. You'll find this in the Queries and Connections grouping. If you don't see this button, the Excel sheet you're working on does not have any active links. Click the link you want to break. Click Break Link. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.